Hello and welcome to the week of May 3rd. As you guys can see, we go all the way to the bottom here, starting with Achieve 5, then Text 7, then Slideshow Slide. So, Achieve 5, two different parts to this. First, we take the Achieve Spring test, which is where you submit the graph. That is the result of your test. So take the test seriously. This takes an entire day, or we took an entire day to do it. You can catch up. Just take it seriously. You participate in the test, which looks like this. If you recall, when you're done with the test, it opens up to the normal Achieve. You click the circle, access your graph. Once you have the graph on your screen, you do a snippet. You take a screenshot of that, and you submit that screenshot here. That's Monday's assignment. After that, you move on to Tuesday's assignment. You answer one of these questions. You read the instructions for annotation. We're annotating key terms in green and essential ideas in yellow. Please read these examples to be able to participate in that. Answer that question, and then read one of these 3 articles and annotate it. You have 2 submissions here for the Achieve number 5 today. The first one is what you normally do. You submit your activity score and activity here. Remember, if you get less than 75%, you need to pick another article and do it all over again. Notice how this is titled 2 submissions, evidence for your essay. All of these awesome articles today are really great for your essay. My favorite one is how they overcame. So that's why the second submission you do is the article annotations, and that's why I read this one. How They Overcame is such a good article. Will really support you in your evidence that you need for your final essay, so feel free to read that article. I totally suggest it. And here you can also see examples of key terms being highlighted in green, whereas the main ideas are highlighted in yellow. So, obviously, African Americans is a key term, enforced segregation, maintain supremacy, too much autonomy, prejudiced members, schools in disrepair. Those are the terms that are going to be important. It's kind of like the words that are crucial, like important names or places or vocabulary important to the text. Whereas yellow is those main ideas, and there's probably a main idea per paragraph, so I do suggest you highlight the main ideas per paragraph in yellow. That way, when you finish, you have all of this collected for your final essay topic. So that's it for Achieve 5, besides the other things. I just don't want to go into detail on those. Make sure you submit both the activity score and your textual evidence. And your annotations. This is worth 50 as it usually is. This is worth 10. I'll put them together in the grade book. After you finish number 5, you move on to Story of an Hour. Participate in the discussion, grab a team member, and complete the group and independent section. It is both group and independent, so you do the group section, divide that up, 1, 2, 3 together, and then you do the second section independently. So, 1, 2, 3, do those, then do the independent work secondly. And then lastly, you guys have the slideshow slide. The instructions are here in the class slideshow, and then the slides are here. Read through these instructions, find out what you're doing. The question that you're answering is, there's 2 questions actually. One is, what were the goals of the reformers? And the other one was, what did they want to achieve? Why did they want to achieve the goals? You have the opportunity to plan here. You have to gather evidence and make slides and share your slideshow. You need to pick one text. If you're working independently, you're welcome to do more than one text. This is only one day to do it, so I suggest one text. And then make sure that you have everything you need in your slide, and then you submit your slide here. So since there's only one day to do this, pick one text. And that's it. If you have any questions, email me.